We will feature you. Are you guys ready?
Good evening
I'm
and
ready.
welcome aboard the
I think I'm ready.
Tram. Before we depart, I have to go over some safety rules.
Basic.
Please remain seated, keeping your arms and legs inside the vehicle at all times. If you have any small children with you, please make sure they're seated towards the center of the vehicle, away from the tram gates.
Dangerous.
If you have an emergency of any
I've made a
kind,
mistake. I'm too close to
please
the edge.
pull the red emergency cord over your head, and I will be back to assist you as soon as it is
It's
safe
your
to do
fault.
so.
You're my guardian today.
I thought you were my guardian.
It's on you.
Who's in charge here?
Oh, I don't know.
Who's thinks all of you?
Now, I'm almost afraid to ask, do you love horror movies?
Yes?
Well, there's one name that is synonymous with horror, and that name is Blumhouse, the company behind some of the most frightening film franchises in modern horror history. And tonight we're going to take you to a place where the horror movie was born, the world-famous Universal Studios backlot. But like all great horror movies, there's a twist. We're gonna drop you off and you're gonna have to walk through some of the most iconic sets in horror movie history, where you'll come face to face with some of the most famous characters from Blumhouse films. What's the scariest setting for a horror movie? To me, the answer is right there in the Blumhouse name. A house. A place that's supposed to be safe. A place where nothing can possibly go wrong. Until a stranger appears at the front door in the dead of night. A telephone that rings and rings, or even a little girl's doll that starts acting strange. Houses are portals to the unknown. When you step through that door, you don't know what will be waiting for you on the other side. Welcome to the Terror Tram. Enter the Blumhouse. This is as far as we're going to take you. When those gates open, you're on your own.
Same question. I didn't see this anymore. I can't primary user.
No, I can't help you. Oh, no, sorry, no, I can't help you. No.
Do you know what happens to bad boys? They grow up to be bad men.
I mean, not wrong.
Are you listening to Motivational Hazard? Are you freaking kidding me? Not again! I can't wait to get
Black coat.
Would you like to see a magic trick? Would you like to see a magic trick?
I don't think so. I don't think that's a good idea.
That wasn't magic. He just showed us two different things.
Yes.
You made me do!
Colin, whoa.
Oh, look at that.
Oh boy.
That's cool.
I know. I'm like, if you're gonna remodel the Hollywood sign, go big or go home, right? This is like a statement piece. Everyone's favorite mama's boy.
Can't blame him for being a good son.
Here we go.
Emergency broadcast system announcing initiation of the approach. Beginning of the siren, any informal run, inverter will be.
Oh, this is cool. This is fun. Oh, no, I don't like that mask. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Oh, no. No teddy bear. Oh, I just inhaled smoke. out. We've been through a lot together. That was like a lot of bad guys, a lot of villains, a lot of creatures. But we made it. We're okay.
Halloween Horror Nights, watch your hands and feet as our staff come by to open up the doors to let you out.
We got to the end of this and I still can't like decide on my favorite Blumhouse movie, but you guys should put yours in the comments. Let us know.
Welcome back.